then you know it's Christmas. When the snow starts to fall, then you know it's Christmas. For the children above all, then you know it's Christmas. 'Cause Santa's on his way. We're standing under the mistletoe.
All right, guys, I'm just packing up here. So I'm at Fort Victoria RV Park here in Victoria. And I'm going to be heading down to the ferry that goes from Victoria to Washington. And so what they do is they allow you to actually sleep, or stay, I should say. You're in your own vehicle to sleep, but they allow you to stay overnight in the ferry terminal. But you got to get there between 4 p.m. and 4:30, and then the gates lock, and that's it. You're there for the night. Now there is a man gate, so you can physically walk out and go to a restaurant or something like that. It's not like you're locked in there. And some people, what they do is they'll take their vehicle down, park it there, and then somebody will come pick them up and then stay at their place or whatever, and then drop them off in the morning type thing, right? So, so I was here for 2 days, and I visited with my son, and I'll put a picture up here, and so that was excellent. So I got a lot of stuff done when I was here. Like, if you follow me, I was actually in this campground almost a year ago, like to the day, because I left from here to do what I'm doing now, but that was on Christmas Day, and on Boxing Day I got on the ferry, so I'm a little bit earlier this year. So if you watch that video, you'll see. But they got a really great laundry facility here, so I took a couple hot showers. I got the all the laundry, the bedding, all my clothes done, so that was excellent. I woke up early this morning, so it was no problem to do that. So like I said, I'm just kind of packing up here and going down there. It's 3 o'clock now, so I want to leave here about 3:30 because it's about a 20-25 minute drive down there, so that'll get me around the 4 o'clock mark to be there, just in case traffic's not the greatest. But no, I think we're almost ready to go here. And then tomorrow, get on the ferry and head to the States. All right.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like...
I'm the only one here right now, and this is the exact same lane 8, that I was in last year. The exact same spot, same thing. So, anyways, that's pretty cool. Almost exactly 1 year ago. Well, there we are. There's my sleeping quarters for tonight. And it is extremely foggy out there. Maybe someday I'll tell you a story about what you're looking at. But not yet. Not ready for it yet. So yeah, you can just tell by the day though right now, like look at it. It's kind of not the nicest, not much of a view today. Super nice guy at the gate. I might have to slip up off the street here and oh, look at that, the day's in there. It's got looks like a bar or something there. I think we might have to go visit.
I can see the snowflakes fall. I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time
well, guys,
to have a
off
merry
the ferry. Now we're in the lineup for the border crossing. Actually, they're moving pretty quick, so this may not be too bad. Well, that was one of the easiest crossings I've ever done. He just said to me, he says, "Do you got anything to declare?" And I said, "I actually have bear spray." He goes, "And where are you heading?" I said, "Arizona and then Mexico." He says, "Have a good trip." And that was it. We are now back in the United States. Sorry, guys. Every time I go to change the display from either metric to imperial, I have to get my book out because I keep forgetting how to do it.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Snow starts to fall.
Sorry, guys, it's dark out right now. Merry Christmas, everybody. It is right now 22 degrees, which is what, -6, -7 Celsius. What time is it, Jage? It is 4:30 in the morning. So I just stayed at a rest stop, and now I'm just keep on driving. I'll stop maybe for breakfast somewhere. Sorry, guys, it's a GoPro and it's dark in here. I got this interior light on, but I shouldn't drive with it too much on, or if a cop sees me, probably pull me over. But so anyways, I just wanted to again wish everybody a happy Christmas, and I'll talk to you in a little bit.
He's missing. Wraps the final gift. You know it's time.
Well, I hope everybody's having a good Christmas. I'm look at this view. So I've been traveling for about 2 hours, and I've seen one vehicle. So I thought I'd just stop and take a wee break and make myself another cup of coffee. I should see how my tank's doing. Obviously, you can see there's snow on the ground. It's about -8 right now. This is tank looks like. I gotta be getting low on this tank, I'm thinking. I filled it up 4 days ago. And I've been running the furnace, well, obviously, non-stop.
Christmas. Snow starts to fall. And then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. And then you know it's Christmas 'cause Santa's on his way. We'll stand under the mistletoe, and then he forever stays with us. Soon Rudolph hears his whistle and gathers all his friends. When Santa and his missus wraps the final gift, you know it's time for Christmas for each and every one.
My boom and docking spot for tonight. So the highway's right there, but I mean, I got this big hill right here in the way, so that's going to knock off a bunch of the sound, and not to mention, it's a quiet highway. I was on it for an hour and a half, and I saw one vehicle. But I'm going to try here again, guys. You know me, I keep trying this all the time, but right about up there you should see it's the snow covered, but you'll see an antenna up there, or towers. So that's the cell phone tower, so I got full bars. And yeah, this is my backyard. Oh, look at that, I'm back into thorns again. Yay, flat tires again. Don't see too much going on out there though. So it's actually, it actually warmed up pretty good. I woke up this morning, it was -10, and I think right now it's about 4 or 5 degrees Celsius. So we're talking like 38, 39. 40? I don't know. Anyways, oh, I thought I saw some
animal tracks.
So I'm just going to settle down here for tonight, guys. I'm just going to cook some tacos. I was going to cook seafood. I ate it last night. So I had these jumbo scallops and I had shrimp, and I ate that last night. So tonight's taco night. But yeah, other than that, I'm hoping everybody's having a great Christmas and good holidays, and we will see you in the next video, which won't be too far away. Did I show you guys my Christmas tree? Here's my little Christmas tree. And somebody's bringing on the cheer too. Okay, guys. Merry Christmas. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. And as always, guys, be good, be kind, be careful. We'll talk to you guys real soon. Merry Christmas.
I've been